Good morning, students. Today we will do let's try 6 and 7. Before doing let's tries, we have to do yes or no questions. Read this question and its answers. Question: is this a penguin? Yes, this is a penguin. Here you can see in question is जो है सेंटेंस के फर्स्ट स्टार्टिंग में पुट किया है. इज दिस अ पेंगुइन? क्या ये पेंगुइन है? एक पेंगुइन है. यस, दिस इज अ पेंगुइन. दिस इज अ आंसर. ओके, हेयर यस इज आपके जो सेंटेंस की स्टार्टिंग में यस लगा दिया गया और इज जो है वो नेक्स्ट दिस के बाद मूव हो गया. तो ये क्या बन गया आपकी स्टेटमेंट. नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट पेज. Questions that begin with the words called verbs like is, are, do. Answer with yes or no. So students, questions that begin with the words called like verbs is, are, do. These are verbs. Answered with yes or no. Okay. Here are some examples. Is it hot? Yes, it is hot. You can see here's question is started with is and answer is yes. Yes, it is. Now next question. Next example. Are you hungry? No, I am not. She is asking to him, Are you hungry? क्या तुम्हें भूख लगी है? He answered, No, I am not. A statement can be changed to a question by placing the verb at the beginning of the sentence. How? Here, how? Read this statement aloud. Students, means a statement can be changed to a question by placing the verb at the beginning of the sentence. Students, here is a verb, and when you place the verb at the beginning of the sentence, that means this is a question. Read the statement aloud. Tenali Raman is holding a bamboo stick. Now let's make the verb is the first word in the sentence. Here we moved is in the beginning of the sentence. Now it is a question. Is Tenali Raman holding a bamboo stick? Students, you can assume by the voice of the sentence this is a question. Let's try again with another statement. The courtiers are jealous of Tenali Raman. Now let's shift verb are to the beginning of the sentence to make a question. Are the courtiers jealous of Tenali Raman? So, students, as you can see, when we move helping verb, are is a helping verb. Sorry, when you move helping verb in the beginning of the sentence, then it is a question. Then you have to add question mark in the last end of the sentence. Now come to the let's try 6. Read these statements aloud, then turn them into questions and write them. One has done for you. As you can see, the king is thinking. Is the king thinking? Here you have to make a question from this sentence. To make a question, you have to move helping verb is in the beginning of the sentence. Then it is a question. Is the king thinking? Next, you have to answer this. The courtiers are making fun of Tenali Raman. Now students, how can you make this statement make this sentence? in a question. Are the courtiers making fun of Tenali Raman? Here you can see when verb are is moved in the beginning of the sentence, then it is converted into a question. Are the courtiers making fun of Tenali Raman? Next, Tenali Raman is happy to solve the problem. तेनाली रामन जब वो प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए खुश था. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, यू हैव टू मेक अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम दिस स्टेटमेंट. Here you can see question is Tenali Raman happy to solve the problem? क्या तेनाली रामन खुश था प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए? The people are cheering for Tenali Raman. Now you have to make question. Question is, are the people cheering for the Tenali Raman? You can see here are is moved in the beginning of the sentence and question mark is in the end of the sentence. The king was smart. Was the king smart? The other courtiers were jealous. You have to make a question. Here students, were is a verb, helping verb. Okay, and here was a helping verb. Here you have to move were in the beginning of the sentence, then it is converted into a question. Were the other courtiers jealous? Next is he is lying. क्या वो झूठ बोल रहा है? क्या वो झूठ बोल रहा है? Is he lying? Sorry, he is lying. वो झूठ बोल रहा है. Is he lying? क्या वो झूठ बोल रहा है? She is watching carefully. Now you have to make a question from this statement. Is she watching carefully? Here you can see is moved in the beginning of the sentence. He is happy. Answer is he happy? Now this is a question. Last one is the boys are sleepy. Students, you have to make a question from this sentence. Are the boys sleepy? Now answer these questions orally to check if you get yes or no answers. Next, here sometimes you can also turn a statement into a question by adding do or does at the beginning. Students, आप do और does लगा के भी एक स्टेटमेंट को क्वेश्चन में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल तेनाली रामन goes to the palace every morning. Then question is, does Tenali Raman go to the palace every morning? Here you have to put does on the beginning of the sentence. Then it is converted into a question. Next example is, the courtiers have a challenge today. Question is, do the courtiers have a challenge today? Here students, when your subject means जैसे तेनाली है वो आपका सिंगुलर पर्सन है, एक पर्सन है, तो आप उसके लिए डज यूज़ करोगे. देन द courtiers have a challenge today. Here courtiers are many people, then you have to add do at the beginning of the sentence. Okay, now you have to do let's try 7. In let's try 7, turn these sentences into questions by adding do or does at the beginning. Then underline all the articles used. One has done for you. The twins like ice cream. Twins को ice cream पसंद है. Do the twins like ice cream? Here you have to add do because twins जो है दो पर्सन के लिए यूज़ हुआ है, तो आपको दो, मैंने बताया ना आपको 2 पर्सन के लिए डू यूज़ करना है, 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा पर्सन के लिए डू यूज़ करना है, और जहाँ पे सिंगल पर्सन होगा वहाँ पे आपको डज यूज़ करना है. Here you can see Renu goes to the swimming pool. Renu is a singular person. Then you have to add here does. Does Renu go to the swimming pool? Next is Mummy has a new handbag. Now you have to convert this statement into question. Does Mummy have a new handbag? So students, you have to do. Let's try 7. Thank you.